I'd been out painting all day. I had one section to do. I didn't stabilise the ladder enough. I just had 2 weatherboards to go and they were up the top. By that time, I was tired, my glasses were dirty, and I was leaning over rather than go down the ladder, move the ladder, and go back up again. I just reached out to try and sand the last bit. That's when the ladder became unstable and I fell. I landed with great thud on concrete. I hit my head. I was in a lot of pain, particularly back pain. I got some fractured ribs and a pneumothorax. That's like an opening on the lung. I was a nurse for 32 years. I've seen injuries from lesser trauma, paraplegia, quadriplegia. It was my worry that I had done something really bad. I had an existing back problem and it just exacerbated the back problem. And to this day, a year later, I've still got a lot of pain with the back. Once upon a time, I could spend all day doing quite vigorous work. Now I can only spend a short amount of time. I've painted other sections of the house. That particular section, I think I've got post-traumatic stress syndrome from it. I haven't been back there.
Every time you use a ladder, you're taking a risk. Don't let it come down to luck. If you think about it first, you can be safe.